So, just got an email the other day, and it asked, are we going to do an online course this winter? And I was thinking about it, and I thought, we're going to do something better than an online course this winter. We're going to do something that we've never done before, something more exciting, something more interesting, something more about coziness and self-care and rug hooking, and how rug hooking is so important to all of us in that. And we're going to do something that is just full of joy. That's what I want to do. So I just don't want to do just a regular online course this winter. I want to do something more magnificent and more special. And I just want you to know that, because I want you to save a place in your heart for it and a place in your life for it. That this special something is coming. And I'm going to tell you about it soon. But I'm not quite ready yet. We're getting ready, and I'm thinking, and I'm planning, and I'm working on it. So yes, something great is going to happen this winter at Deanne Fitzpatrick Studio. Something better than any online course we've ever done before. See ya.